to help you to make that green. Yo, they gotta let your crypto king showing you how to invest to live your dreams. So for those of you who wanna make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Kings live stream. We are back. I'm live in my hotel room, getting ready to go to a wedding, but it is all good. The markets are pumping. Things are going better. There are scammers out, though. We got a lot to talk about today. My man, B-Roots, how you feeling, bro?
What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy, B-Roots back at it again, and all I see is Gucci. So that's how B-Roots is doing right now. He's feeling Gucci. What's going on, man?
Not much, bro. I know you're getting ready to go on your vacation. You're going to be gone for a little while. Of course, the markets are starting to go up when B-Roots goes on vacation. Same with Ian Heinisch. But you're going to probably have some internet. We'll probably be getting some gains. I don't know if we're going to be doing Chill Take next week. Stay tuned for that. But we got an action-packed show today. I'm excited to see where the TA is at, not only on Bitcoin, but even on PulseChain. I know PulseChain is just kind of sitting around, you know, that SAC rate. I know B-Roots likes that term, but it is sitting right around there. And, yeah, man, we got a lot going on today. Will we have another dip? Are we going to see Bitcoin all-time high for this year? It is very possible, and I believe we are probably about to fall into another meme coin bull run, just like we've had a couple of them this year. I think we're going to see another one soon. That's just my opinion. What's your thoughts?
Will we see another? I think we have to close this week out, you know. So while I'm on vacation, we'll know. Let's just get to it. That's the best way to think.
Let's just jump in the video. Guys, before we do that, before B-Roots brings up the TA, we got 76 people in the house. Smash that like button. It's absolutely free. I see we got the OGs in the house today. Just fired up, guys. I know you guys are seeing green candles. Everyone's getting excited. We got Hex G Unit. I hope I pronounce this right, bro, because you are Mad Love supporter. I saw that clip you put up the other day. Chaosa? Is that how you'd say it? If I roast it, man, please correct me. Pulse Reflections in the house. Less Banking. Brian R. What up, my man? Parrish H in the house. We got the crew here. We got Joe. Everyone jumping up on in here. Pulse Reflections, man. Staying in here. We even got Frank. What's going on? Hex Salty Boy in the house, too. Guys, so smash that like. Let's get a bunch of people in here. We're going to do some TA and just take a look at the markets because I'm excited to see what we got going on here. Obviously, I thought we were going to dip more, but we're probably just consolidating, to be honest. But let's just take a quick look.
Bam. There we go. So we see it here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Uh-oh. Peekabooing up above that.
I got to take my...
What's up?
Oh, just I got like a glare, so like I can't see it with my glasses on.
Oh. You got to get those Gucci's, bro. You're rocking...
Bro, I got my Dior's, but I left them at home. I got the Prada, though. The Prada, baby. The Prada.
You're over here trying to be like Gucci. I ain't got... All I see is Gucci, and I still don't have any damn glares, bro. Come on now.
All right, bro.
However, as you can see right here, it is still a lower high. So we are peaking above. Nice little lower high right here. What I want to see is get above this number right here. And that number is 31,035. So we got up, everyone gets excited, but we hit 30,755. That is not what we want. We want above here, and we want to get above here and close above here. So therefore, it is showing that, hey, we are ready to go up higher. There are more buyers than sellers. Right now, there's not more buyers than sellers right now. There's actually just a tad bit more sellers. And usually the person who makes this wick and makes that price go down, or people that make that price go down, have money. So it is very, 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 very possible you can spend time in between lines. That is a real thing. Let me give it a prime example. Look at this. Broke down, broke down, went down, boop, boop, down, down, broke it down to this line, got it back. And you can see there's a lot of time spent in between this area. You can see right here, a lot of time. This is weekly candles. Each candle is a week. Look how he went down, then boop, went up above the line, peeked his head, then closed below it, down, down, boop, went up, faked everybody out like we are going to keep going higher, but then went down and ultimately went down further. You could be seeing that right here. Went up, went down, whoop, peeked our head down, maybe get rejected this week, maybe come down here, maybe go up a little higher just to come back down to here. It's very possible. So that's why I draw these lines. So therefore we know when we close two candles, then I feel good about it. Look right here. Closed two candles, but that second candle was basically a trick candle because it closed two candles, it really didn't go anywhere, and then it got declined. I want to see two nice green candles for it to go up. What do I mean? Right here. Two candles, 1, 2, time to go up. Two candles right here, 1, and this just bonked right out of that line, just went to the next one, time to go up. So I always want to see two candles peak above and then time to go up. We hit off the 300-week moving average, one candle went off of it. Two candles went off of it. Guess what? It's time to go up. If you're not in Bitcoin by 22,772, I don't know what you're doing. You know why? Faked you out a little bit, but the end result was time to go up. So that's what I see right here. I am not convinced yet. Everyone got pumped up saying, yes, we're over $30,000. But really the number to get over was 29,148. We're above that, but I want to see another candle. If we get rejected and you see this candle start going below here, guess what? We're probably coming back down to 25,000. So let's not get ahead of ourselves because we could have this situation right here. See how we close above it and then got rejected? Same thing could be happening right here. All we could be doing is boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, which if you look back, look at the other candles. Go to your left. I guess that's your left. Like on that line right there. To the no, back down where you were on. See those two lines? See how it went up and then came down, went up and then came down?
Yeah. This right here.
I was talking about the other place, but you see it in a lot of places actually.
No, yeah, I mean you're going to see a lot at this area because 30,000 is basically like the new 20,000. That's the number we got to get over. Look at all these lines. This is why I put this line here. Look at all these lines. When we first put these lines in, I was explaining I want to put lines where the most wicks and closes hit. This is all the way back in January of 2021. And actually, you can go all the way back to 2018. Well, not because we weren't that high. Sorry. 2021. As I said, is where bam, we played a lot with this area. We left. That was the first top. 64,000. Then we came down. We played a lot with this area. Bam, second top. Came down. All the way down. Now we're back. And we're playing with this area. So this area is going to be the next big area that you see. 35,000 to 42,000. What you see all this going on is the same thing that you're going to see this going on. It's going to be even worse, actually. So what we're seeing here, back and forth, is nothing to what you're going to see in the next level. The next level is going to be very violent going back and forth. Lots of rejections are going to be happening anywhere from 29,000 to 34,000. Why? Let's really think about the psychological part of this. We are now making 30,000 a key. Remember when we hit over 30,000 a couple of days ago and everybody was like, we're back over 30,000. And that was like the thing. That was the tweet. We're over 30,000. Woohoo. Well, guess what? When you get above it and then you go below 30,000, that's going to be a thing also. So 30,000 is a fluke, in my opinion. It's a strong level of resistance, but also my lines are sitting at 29,000 because you can see where the wicks are actually happening. It's not the reason why I say 30,000 because it's very easy. This wick right here, 28.8, 29,150, 28.6, 29,296. This one is actually 25 for this one, 28,615, 28,000, 29,233. So the market will be saying 30,000 because it's easier to say. The real number is 29,000. So we're over it, and I want to see us close over this number, and we could start going up. But in reality, if you look where I put here between October and November, not October. This is a little. Oh yeah, this was the run up to sacrifice. All right, not sacrifice, but Bitcoin halving. So as you can see, we're not too far from there. So I could see us doing either here, get rejected, and then start going up, and then we get in this little box by halving time, or we can come here, get rejected, maybe retest down here, and make our way back up and get over there before halving time. So however we do it, I still think we're going to be in this section by halving, but just know right here, this section right here is going to be very violent. We're going to get rejected like a mofo at 35,000, 34 to 35,000. It's going to reject hard, and it's going to scare a lot of people. So be prepared for it. Be prepared for the FUD. There's going to be some type of news event that gets surrounded when it hits this area and gets rejected. Maybe the ETF gets rejected. Maybe someone starts dumping Bitcoin. Maybe they bring out the Mt. Gox news and they start releasing Mt. Gox coins, and that brings it down. Maybe someone bans Bitcoin. Like, show me the chart. I'm showing you the chart right now, and I'm going to tell you the news later. I will cut this part up, post it on Twitter, post it on YouTube to tell you that charting does matter. I'm letting you know anywhere from 34 to 35,000, there will be some type of negative news announcement that makes it drop from this area to scare everybody. But you're seeing it right now, how it's playing out. So we're looking at weekly charts. We're not looking at the daily. We're not looking at the 4-hour. We're seeing the big picture. And the big picture is this was the low. We're starting to creep up. Starting to creep up. Maybe we go down a little bit, and we're going to creep up in here, and maybe go down, and then really creep up in here, act like we're going to go up here, and then maybe get crashed down. And what happens from here? Well, we'll analyze what happens after the Bitcoin halving on the weekly time base. But right now, it actually looks good. It is getting a little rejected from this high right here. So, like we said earlier, in conclusion, I want to see us close above this line. I want to see another blue candle or a green candle close above this line, and then we're probably heading to 35,000, 34 to 35,000, which will get ultra rejected in my opinion. But I think by the time halving, we'll be comfortably sitting in between these lines. And if we're sitting any higher than that, we're ultra bullish. Maybe you see a big, green blue or green candle, and then bam, take us back down. But
a blue candle.
I just see this. Yeah, I say blue candle. I need to make it green, but
all right.
This.
Okay, just a few. We got Mario G says Bitcoin moves to 27K, then 35, then 29.5, then 42.
Possible. I see us right now. It all depends how we close this weekly candle this Sunday. If we close and gets rejected hard, I think we're going below. I think we're going in this area right here. So I think this would be a very clean fake out. So it all depends on how this candle ends. A lot of people like to project numbers and where we're going exactly with numbers. I don't like doing that. I personally like potentially projecting where we're going to go. But I like projecting a range and saying, hey, this is the range we're going to go. But I know one thing. The 300-week moving average is sitting at 20,248. We ain't going below these lines. And this was my July 3rd to 10th. And we got 2 weeks to get there. So if we don't get there in that time, I don't think we'll see it, because I think by this time, this candle will be sitting nice and girthy, potentially over this line on July 3rd to 10th. So.
Yes, sir. All right. And then we got another question. Has anyone considered the possibility that Richard Hart has so much Bitcoin that he can push the price down to 12K? I believe he does.
Wait, what?
He's basically saying that Richard Hart holds so much Bitcoin that he could sell it down to 12K. I don't know why he would want to. And
why would you do that? Like, this just doesn't make any sense.
You got your coin out, you know?
Yeah. Right now, I talked about last week how, the 9th to 12th candle that gets down to the July 3rd because it was in a downtrend. Right now, we are in an uptrend. So remember last week we counted over the 4 to make sure the count was starting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the first candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one above. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I said 7, 8, 9. And that's where I got my July 3rd through 12th. 10. So that's where I got that from. However, this candle has broke the trend. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the candle. Here's the key. To break the downtrend, with the TD sequential measures is it measures momentum. So the momentum must close above 28,072. So by Sunday, if this candle is above $28,000.72, the momentum is broken. However, if we close this candle by Sunday below that, the momentum is still going down. So keep that number in mind, 28,072. Because if it continues down, what happens is this momentum will bring this candle back down to where we said July 3rd through 10th. So what I'm doing is a lot of if, ands, or buts. A lot of people don't like that about TA. TA is not a magic pill. TA is for you to make a sound decision with probabilities, and does it meet your probability set? If you're getting ultra bullish and following the news and saying, congratulations, we're above 30, just with the quickness, we'll go back to 27 and the momentum will still be going down. So that is the number to watch out for on Sunday, 28,072.
Yeah, we got the Ducker community showing up in here hard, raiding us. I like to see that, man. Crazy. I can't even get through a comment without saying Ducker.
Well, you gotta scroll harder.
I'm scrolling, bro. Can't even find it. But anyways, yeah, I might have to check that one out later. That looks like a strong community coming up in here. But with that being said, why don't we talk about, we've seen some rugs. We've seen some definitely like scams. And you made a tweet about it. Hey, this is a sign that we are right before the bull run. We had a PulseChain project straight up rug. And we had Zeus. Everyone knows, if you've been with us for a while, you know the history of Zeus, the one that pumped up to $15 million market cap from 200K on Shield Tank. We found down 200K and, probably a month after it hit 15 million. And then there was some FUD and people FUD'd us and this and that. Anyways, they did a V2. They got a new contract. We actually both invested the other day. And now the price, I don't know, but you had more of the source of what happened. I just heard it got sold off really hard. But I do believe that narrative is still so strong, and that is why we both aped into that, because I believe a big AI narrative is coming back. Folks, I think we need to get ahead of this AI because there's so many tools that, if you push it aside, you just say, hey, I don't want to be involved, you're going to get left behind. So AI, I think, is going to make a strong comeback. And then obviously it's freaking Elon's, it's Optimus's dog. And it's a strong narrative. Zeus had a strong narrative. It still is a strong narrative. It didn't get rugged. There's still high liquidity. It's a really low market cap. I don't know, man. What's your thoughts on it?
I'm not gonna sit here and
chill it.
It still can do this. It still has a possibility. Like, no, I forget it. I'm gonna forget about it. If it comes back, it comes back. If the devs do what they do, the good thing, the devs do what they do. But I'm not gonna sit here and try to like chill and go for Zeus. You know, it's had a V1, a V2. Now everybody's talking V3. Like it's never ending. Like you're a crazy person to keep trying to hope that it's going to go back, in my opinion. So if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not going to sell for pennies on a dollar because I've seen a lot of tricks to the trade. I see a lot of people. I've seen coins go up and they literally bring the price down just so a influencer can get in. I've seen that. So like, so when I see these things, you know, Crypto Mama, you know, she's known on the Optimist. She's known for shilling Optimist, which Optimist, I don't know. That's not really a scam. I didn't see any scammy thing out of Optimist. But then she picked up Zeus. Something happened, and she disappeared. Usually that is a sign of the scammer or a part of the scam. I'm not going to blame it on Crypto Mama, but it looks shady, you know? If I got blamed for something, the last thing I'm going to do is delete my Twitter, delete everything, and just look like, nah, I got more pride than that. So,
unless you were guilty.
Unless I was guilty. That's the only reason you bounce. Like, that's the only reason you would bounce like that. But to her, you know, excuse, it was too many messages and she did not want to handle it. She didn't like it. So to me, that screams scammer. Did she scam? Did it rug pull? That's the next thing. We need to stop using the word rug pull, and I even used it, and I shouldn't have used rug. The coin is not rugged. There is literally a ton of liquidity in there with that's locked for 69 years. So there's a ton of liquidity. What they did is they sold the marketing wallet. Whoever sold the marketing wallet. So now everyone's kind of pointing fingers and people are leaving Twitter. Either or, there's some shady business going on. That's a rug. You've got GPLX on PulseChain that rugged. I don't like the way that went out because that was kind of fudded into a potential rug. Now, the guy had the ability, I hear, to do things. Did he do them? I don't know. Then they're claiming GMX, which it was a fork of, had the exact same. It was forked, so nothing changed. So if GMX can do it, why can't he do it? And I think there was some boys club together fudness being done with that, and then the price just tanked. And to be honest with you, if you were funding my project and everyone was selling off like crazy, I mean, would you sell your stuff? I probably would. You know, it's over. You're funding me hard, and people are believing you. I don't know. That's a tough pill to swallow. So you're seeing these rugs, you're seeing these coins end very fast, very abruptly. We've always seen it, but you're seeing them more pop up. That's usually a sign of the bull market because scammers seek money, and when there's more money coming into the market. When there's hype, that's when the scammers come out too. The freaks come out at night. Well, it's nighttime and the bull market's here, in my opinion. So you're going to see a little bit more more scammers. You're going to see more scams. You're going to see more rug pulls. You're going to see more honeypots. And the bigger the space gets, the more you will see. So make sure not financial advice. You can do it however you want to do it. But how I look at it is I am not investing unless I am willing to lose it. If it goes to zero, I say, well, find the next one. It is what it is. Keep it moving. But they're only coming out because they do believe that the bull market is here. And when they see that the bull market is here, they sniff. They're sniffing for someone to just steal their money. When they see it, it's time to go. Just be aware.
We got a few questions too. And a super chat, Crypto King. Let's see the Ducker chart. You got to do more than a $2.
50 bones to change our narrative of the shield tube. 50 bones or more.
Hold on. I'm trying to find. I'm getting rated. Sorry, I just lost this comment because this is kind of funny and it should be addressed. It says 20K and basically Jake will. Oh, there it is. Yep. Yeah, yo, B-Roots, Jake Gagan is going to get Ducker tattooed on his forehead for 20K. He just said it on his live stream.
Well, it's funny because Jake Gagan just changed the way he just talked about it. So he made a tweet that said, whoever has the most comments will get a tattoo, and now it's for $20,000. Like last couple of days ago, he said whoever comments the most will get a tattoo of it on. I remember that video, and now he changed it.
Listen, man, I love Jake. Jake's my dog, but I'm just gonna say, Jake,
for sure.
Jake definitely. He's not gonna go through with it like your boy Bitlord, Crypto Bitlord. He's not that guy. Jake has made some bets and he said some things that he was gonna do, and I don't think he did it. So Jake, I'm calling you out just as a friend, bro. But I love Jake. Jake's my dog. But what did he say? He said he was gonna buy PulseChain.
Jake Gagan is doing nothing but an engagement tweet. He will not put Ducker on his forearm. A couple days ago, somebody, I'm not calling it, Mr. Jake Gagan, said that if whoever has the most comments, he'll put the tattoo on his forearm or wherever he's going to put it. He was at the tattoo shop like he was going to do it right then and there. He ain't doing nothing. Jake, you ain't doing nothing, bro. And for $20,000, you ain't putting it on your forearm either. I'll give you $20,000 to put my logo from Twitter on your calf. $20,000 hard cash. Bet you won't do it. And I don't want no fake. I don't want no fake beaver. I want the true.
You think he'll do it?
Yeah, he won't do it. He could slap me in the face and just put it on his ass too, where I'm just like kissing his ass like that.
That's funny. All right, man.
If I was a tattoo person, that's what I would do. I'd say, man, kiss my ass. And then I would put a tattoo and kiss my ass.
But you would pay Jake. You would pay Jake $20,000
to put a picture of me on his calf.
Wow.
He won't do it.
I was gonna pull up a McGregor thing, but he's like, "You do nothing. You will do nothing." But we got B Roots. Bring up the chart. We got a 69.99 donation. Ducker chart is gonna get brought up.
He changed it. So let's bring out the.
Man, these guys are rating hard, bro. I gotta lie. We haven't been rated like this in a minute. So shout out to you, Ducker community. You are strong. And it's not like the same one just chilling. Like it is like multiple accounts. Let me see.
There it is. Got the 69.95.
Hey yo, it's the Crypto Kings.
Thanks,
you know what it is.
You know what it is.
Let's go. Yo, Ducker. Homie, I just want it all. I just want a ball. Money stack tall. Getting to the paper like when it's spring and fall.
They just want to
Ducker. How I do it, yeah, crypto what it's called. I'm making moves in a major way. I'm out hustling, yeah, I'm getting paid today. I'm out winning. Really nothing left to say. Yo, it's the Steph Curry smush with the fade away. Got the crypto on lock, now the bank account hot. Hit the shop more than I buy the whole spot. Got a fast car sitting in my parking lot. It's the crypto, what's happening? Like it or not, yo. I got the crypto, it's getting lit, yo.
There it is. I showed you the chart. No, just
dang. He did it. That would be dirty.
That would be dirty.
That would be dirty.
No, let's play around.
Ducker community, they're quacking, they're ducking, they ain't ducking around. With or without Jake's tattoo, they said they're gonna moon. They don't need Jake's tattoo. They just need Moon King B Roots.
I got Ducker. Is this the one ending in 01A7? I need to know if that's the one before I do it.
1A0. Wait,
Everyone's
01.
Everyone's saying that's not the one. See?
Wrong Ducker. Wrong Ducker.
That's not my fault. Like, I'm not supposed to know it. Like,
wrong Ducker, bro.
All right, Ducker.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Oh, this thing's bullish. Wow. I found it.
I got it. I'm in it. All right. There y'all go. Woo.
Bam. Dang. Why didn't you guys rate us earlier? They probably rated us so hard.
That's a big green candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 4. Got 2 days of excitement. Now, I ain't gonna lie. You look at the volume candle. This candle right here is big volume. This candle is not as much. So momentum is slightly slowing down. So you're on 1, 2, 3, 4, day 4. And momentum is on the volume candy slightly slowing down. But it does look good. Let's see what Ducker is here.
It's like a Pepe looking duck.
It came on Chill Tank. They did come on Chill Tank. Yeah. They came. You like this one, I believe.
Oh, did I buy it?
Check out the yellow paper. Yeah, I remember these guys. These came on Chill Tank. Nice.
Dang, I hope I bought it.
What
market cap? What market cap?
Bro. Come on now, man. You're setting a horrible example.
Hey, man.
You be saying that all the time. Did I buy it? I really know if I bought it.
Hey, man, I got punched in the head for a living. Cut me some slack, bro.
Nice meme. I remember them coming on Shield Tank. I remember this going. Yeah.
When did they come on Chill Tank? Oh, we said watch list. Oh. Guess we weren't watching it that close. That thing just took off.
Yeah. Not bad. Hey, we don't hit every single one. We don't hit every single one. But
they came on Chill Tank at 150K.
Yeah. I remember that.
That's bullish. Man, you guys did, let's see, 10x, almost a 20x since Chill Tank.
That's right. I'll rock a tweet for that.
We got to rock a tweet for that, man. That's a Chill Tank success story. You guys smashing it.
So,
might have to even buy that dip. Ducker, man.
Ducker
chilled at 200K. 100 mils inevitable.
You got 2 to 3 days to do it. It's very possible. I'll never say never.
Big Ducker energy.
Why are you gonna bring it up?
Chill Tank Ducker, bro.
All right.
That's legit. Congrats, guys. You guys are almost at a 20x. That thing is sending. Great timing, too. You got the markets going up. So definitely congrats on that one for sure. That's legit, man. Let me see what else we had on the list today. Just talking about, like how we said before, Beards, I made a tweet today. When the markets broke 30K last time, 3 days after Pepe came out, 5 days after that, or 4 or 5 days after that, that thing just sent. Like you couldn't even catch it. It just went boom, just took off. And that's when Bitcoin just hovered around that 30K. And that's what really started a meme coin. Just like, I mean, you were able to catch 10Xs, 20Xs, 50Xs on the regular. Everything was sending. You had Bob come out. You had a lot of tokens that were sending into the tens of millions, hundreds of millions. Obviously, you had Pepe hit the billions. Do you think, and in history, how is it when Bitcoin goes up, usually a little delayed, and then you have meme coins come up after that? If there is a meme coin just freaking bull market, mini meme coin bull market within the bull market that before the bull market, if that makes sense. Does it take usually about a week, 2 weeks after Bitcoin makes a big move? We made a 10% move yesterday, 10% plus. Now is it just a matter of time, or is it hit or miss?
Well, if Bitcoin goes back to 27,000 by the end of the week, it's going to be a miss. So it all depends on Bitcoin. When you said 3 days afterwards?
Yeah, it was launched like 3 days afterwards. So
launched, or I don't know. Are you sure it was launched 3 days afterwards?
Yeah. Let me check. Let me double check. And I looked all this up. Let me just check my tweet because I did look it up. Because I believe it was on the 17th. Yeah, so like basically after Bitcoin hit 30K, 2 days after PEPE was launched. And then about a week after that, so 5 days, 4 to 5 days after is when it just took off.
Well, I don't have Bitcoin breaking 30K until April 10th. I've got 28.7, 29.1, 29.3, and then down from there. So I only got 1 week of beating 30K. But with that said, yeah, I mean,
April 14th is when PEPE launched. And really, it just took off on, you could say the 16th it had its first go, but really it was the 17th and 18th when that thing just like took off.
Yeah. Yeah. 30K looks like 30K looks like that number to where everybody gets excited again. It used to be 10K back in 2018, 2019. When it got over 10K, people would get excited again. It looks like right now it's 30K. And it's about the halfway point from previous all-time high, just like 10K was. So makes sense. Things start moving once it peaks its head over 30K. So be on the lookout for, coins, because you never know. Any one of them could be the one.
Yeah, I mean, you definitely, when you're looking at coins, like say a couple of weeks ago, last week even, it has to be like a clear-cut narrative. Everyone's talking about it, and then that coin comes out, and obviously check, see if it's not a scam if I'm going to invest. Now, it's like you're looking for the next narrative, because there will be a new narrative, whether AI comes back, whether it's a similar PEPE. We were just in like kind of a reflections token narrative, which, Evermoon is killing it. Pulse Mooner was the first one to come out. They were on PulseChain, and you got, and Pulse Reflections, it's another one. But you just have to really keep an eye out for that narrative, because when it comes out, it's just going to go. That's the hardest one to catch, that narrative. Once one goes, then you look for kind of a similar narrative. It doesn't quite do as well usually. And then every coin that comes out after that, you get less and less and less gains. So you're really on the lookout, in my opinion, right now, just evaluating it from the last little mini meme coin bull run we had. Just like we got to just really be on the lookout. But who would have known, bro? How many PEPEs been out in the hundreds of PEPEs, bro? And then all of a sudden this PEPE comes out. It was the chosen ones by the powers above, by the hedge funds, aka hedge funds, institutional money, and some influencers got behind it, and that thing sent. And the market agreed that was the bullish meme, and the meme is hilarious. But it's like, what made that one special? Was it timing, or was it just a chosen one?
Yeah, it's just chosen.
Both.
Everything stars aligned for PEPE. That's pretty much it. Whether it was meant to be a rug, or whether no one cared, regardless of how, who, what, where, when, the stars aligned for it. And the best thing you can do is set yourself up to align with the stars. You'll never be able to guess which one it is, but you want to have money for it. So when it does approach and you're aware of it, you can be in on it and get the gains. It's that simple. Only way to do that is laws of meme coins. You put all your money in Zeus, and you see the next one go, you didn't do it right. You put all your money in GPLX, and PulseChain and the next one goes, you didn't do it right. You take the money that you can lose and keep yourself in the game. When it goes up 2 to 5x, you take that 50% out. Bam, now you got money to do it on the next one that you see, because you do not know which one of them will go. You got the narratives, and the narrative might be strong, and they still might end up being a rug, Zeus. Or you got something that comes out, and then boom, it just takes off, and you're like, what? Man, why couldn't I get in that one? Because you didn't play your cards right. You went all in on the other one. You got greedy. You don't have to bet the farm to buy a farm. So,
yeah, no, absolutely, and it's just like you said, man. You're gonna probably, the things you can do is you can sit back, you can have your ETH, your PulseChain ready, and you can ape into some stuff. And like you said, sometimes you have a great coin, great narrative, and it ends up being a scam. Those hurt me the most because I'm like, the devs have such a good thing going. And it's like, why would you decide to freaking just take your quick profit when you could literally have life-changing gains? You could have a coin that, and whatever reason they do it, it happens all the time. But B-Roots, I'm going to put you on the spot because this would be cut up and it would be a beautiful thumbnail or a short and on Twitter. What is the next meme coin narrative? And it's obviously a guess, but if one of us is right, that'll be bullish. Because I've been doing some research.
Narrative, I mean, that's
just like, what is the next meme coin that's going to send to 100 million? What would the narrative be? Just a guess.
You don't know that. Like, what is it? These meme coins is so random. It's not even funny. Like, the last thing I ever thought was a frog. Like, come on, bro. Like,
what about a duck?
It might be.
What about a duck?
It might be ant coin. It might duckarium might be the next one. I don't know. Like, you just, these are way too random. Now, I was thinking. Now, hear this out. Meme coins might not like me. I was thinking that gaming projects become the next meme coins for this market cycle. So be on the lookout for games. So if anyone has any gaming ideas that they see, shill a man, because I do think gaming projects come out just as much, like games come out just as much as meme coins. So I put them on the same level. So be on the lookout.
All right. B-Root says the next meta, whether it's long or small, is going to be gaming. And if it's not the next, it could be, possibly in the near future. For me, I believe the next meta, whether it's utility / meme coins, I believe AI is coming back strong. I believe there's going to be some AI projects. I already see some AI projects that are finding alpha. I believe AI is getting advanced enough where there are going to be tools that are going to actually help in crypto. So for me right now, I'm saying keep an eye out for AI coins. If you guys see some AI coins, hit up your bro and drop it in the comments or DM me and drop that chart. Don't send me a telegram, please.
Man, you're going with the herd, huh?
I mean, I just see it coming, man.
You're hearing the news. You're watching the news. But
it ain't no news. It ain't no news. It ain't no news, bro. It ain't no news. We'll see. We'll see.
I'm not hating on AI, but there's a lot of different narratives that came out over the bear market. And I think AI is just one we heard. There's an ordinal. There's ordinals. That came out. That could be it. AI could be it. I don't think it has come out yet. I think it's
one no one knows about.
The big one that does the crazy SHIB gains hasn't came out yet. I'm just straight up. It could be PEPE, but there will be another one like that where it hits and everyone could have gotten it. And I don't think it's come out yet. It's if it has come out, then the market might get cut short. I'll just put it that way.
Why would it get cut short?
You're not going to see a 4-cycle market if it's already come out. I'll just put it that way.
So you're saying timing's not right?
If you think PEPE was the one, I don't think PEPE is going to sit there and hang around for another 3 years. So
no, I mean, Pepe's going up.
I don't think Pepe's the one. In short, I don't think Pepe is the one. If it is the one, the market's happening faster. That's simple. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's no meme coin that's going to hang around being the hot thing for 3 years of the cycle. It happens very fast, and then bam. I don't. It happened too quick for it to be Pepe. So I don't think it's Pepe. I don't even think it's AI. I don't even think it's going to be. I don't even think it's going to be ordinals. I'm gonna have a place in those just in case I'm wrong, but I think it's too soon to name what that is. Those usually happen during Bitcoin halving years. So
yeah. No, you're right, man. And the
reason too excited. I think you're too excited and you're pre-ejaculating now. We're like, the bull market.
No, I'm just saying, like look at like Pepe, Bob, like these tokens are all similar. Even Ducker is similar to that. We could have an uprise of Pepe could start sending again, and there could be Pepe coins as the next narrative. Right now, Pepe is up. You got a big green candle. That thing's curving back up. So, I mean, Pepe could send, and you could have coins like Ducker be the next one, the next Bob, the ones that just fly up that are similar to that. However,
it's not the SHIB of the market.
That's not. I never stated that. I'm just saying, like, there could be major gains to be made. I'm saying in my opinion, I think there's gonna be a lot of these mini meme coin bull runs. You know, they last a couple weeks, and then we correct. It goes down. And then it comes up. And then I think when we just start going, like really going, not just 10%, like, I mean, when it goes, obviously, then I think you'll have that SHIB-like coin that will come out. But
yeah, like right now, there will always be narratives. There was narratives during the bear market. There was narratives during the bull market. There's always going to be a narrative. But Pepe, to be honest with you, it just went down too much. What goes down, nothing goes down forever. So there's going to be pumps ups. Pepe, I'll be straight up with you. From a charting
pulse, baby.
From a charting perspective, it needs to get above 5 zeros and a 2-3. So it needs
almost there.
It needs another double from here to really.
No, it doesn't. It's almost there. It's 5 zeros 1 6. It says 700 million market.
Sorry. The high of that is 5 zeros and 2-3. So it needs another. Let me take the roller and let you know.
I'm just saying, man, there's going to be gains to be made. I know there was narratives even in the bear market, but you didn't have coins flying into the billions of market cap, especially meme coins. And you're seeing that with the market because a lot of people will say, oh, we're still in the bear. And I believe like you, B-Roots, we are in the bull. We are up, consolidating, and it is that slow. We're not in the main part of the bull run, which only lasts, what you say, around 4 to 5 months. But we are in the bull market, in my opinion, B-Roots' opinion, right now. And there are going to be major gains to be made. Coins that do go in the billions. When we were in the bear market, we were one of the only people to have a coin go into the hundreds of millions. We were one of the few who caught one of those coins. And now you're seeing a lot more coins go to the hundreds of millions. You're seeing, obviously, layer ones, blue chips, and stuff like that continue to go up. You know, you got new ones out like Loop Network that was doing good in the beginning. I agree with you, man. One that's going to go into not 1 billion, but multi-billion, tens of billions. That coin has not come out yet.
I mean, it could be Pepe, but that just means the market's going to get cut short. It's that simple. Just based off of that. Just based
People
off
don't
of
want that.
Huh?
People don't want that, bro.
Well, who cares what they want? I don't care. Like I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm not Jake Yagan. Like I'm not.
Whoa! Stop! Why you, our boy Jake, bro?
I'm not that guy, man.
I need Jake on here.
I will give you bearish news. I will be bearish. I will tell you what you don't want to hear, and what you don't want to hear is that the market will get cut short because if Pepe is that coin, which is completely fine. It's completely fine if Pepe is that coin. But if Pepe is that coin, the market is going to get cut short. That's simple. And if it's not, Bitcoin halving is the year where the coins come out. Let me give an example. Really, you had Ethereum. So once Ethereum came out after the Bitcoin halving, all the crazy coins started coming out. The Bitcoin halving was that year to where the big ones came out. You can't say that about all the others. Your Nanos, your Bitcoin Cashes, your Cardanos, BNB, all that stuff was like all those ideas was Bitcoin a little after Bitcoin halving years. So that stuff comes out when the VCs are ready to go. So if they came out for PEPE and we're seeing the market change, something different is happening. And just be prepared for it. Be prepared for it.
Ducker is freaking sending, bro. It's over 3 million now. Yeah, PEPE has almost doubled in the past couple of days. I agree with that. But I listen to B Roots on that one. Just be ready for that. PEPE could be the one. We're not here to say that. It's a good coin. It's freaking bullish. That thing's gonna go over $1 billion, in my opinion. Let's pull up some PulseChain, man. Let's just end this stream with some PulseChain news. Obviously, we got a lot of PulseChain community in the house. We got a lot of people rating us. Man, congrats to Ducker, man. I'm happy for you guys. You guys are about almost at a 20x. So maybe we'll have to get him back on Shill Tank for an update or a sponsor one. But let's check out the PulseChain chart. We got our numbers. B-Root says 10x around November, December. And obviously I have a bet with him. The more things are playing out, I'm probably wrong. But hey, man, I felt ballsy. I didn't do my research. I'll admit it. And B-Roots probably has this one. So that's all right. Either way, man.
1 million PulseChain coming my way.
I'm about to send it to you now. It's worth like $80, so I don't feel as bad. Unless you're wrong, bro. You might be wrong.
Wrong.
Richard Hart might come up in there.
There you go.
I need to get you back. I need to get Jake and you guys back on a live stream. You guys have some beef you need to settle.
Beef.
We need an old school argument.
On the daily, we did create a higher high. So looks good. Came down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What happened on the next candle? Bam. Correction. So we went down up 2 candles, and then we went down, and then we created a higher high, but that's not convincing enough. That's kind of how I'm feeling about what I'm saying about with Bitcoin. Not convincing enough. This is really a double top. So we need to kind of curve and keep going. Maybe we create, a W this way. Bam, bam, bam. Then go up. But it is a higher high for what it is. It's just getting rejected. So it'd be nice to see this night climb, clear up on its way up. And then, maybe by July, August, we're back to where, you want to be.
Correction.
Oh, you're going to see a correction for sure right here.
Dude, I hope.
Going to see a correction.
What, like a big one, you think?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to have some funds to buy.
Well, I wouldn't be trading it. Well, a lot of people...
I ain't trading it.
What you see right here is
ETA.
This is everything that I've been writing up. Look at this. To the T. Hit the lower. Bam. Got rejected. Went below here. Said nope. Got right here. Bam. Got rejected. But it's not going to go as low. So maybe it goes right here. Goes up to here. Surpasses this. Bam. Get rejected. Come down here. Maybe go a little higher. Bam, get rejected. Maybe get rejected over here, but then comes over here. Bam, get rejected. Like this stuff is this is your time frame right here. We're not even back you're not even that high yet. And you come up here. Bam, it's gonna be a major rejection for sure. Major rejection. Then make our way back up, slowly up, slowly up. And once we get past there the second time, now look at it. Whew, look at the difference in the spaces. What this is telling you, there's gonna be a lot of sell pressure. There's going to be a lot of back and forth. But once you get here, the space in between them is like there's no you can't, there's no sell pressure here. You know why? Because there's no trading here. So there's no sell pressure here. So the bots are going to like this. Oh, boom. Maybe come back here and retest it here. Freak everybody out. Come up here. Look at that space. Oof. That's going from 2-2 to 3-1. Look at that space. Oof. So this happens fast.
Where's that 10x line at? You still got it?
This is a 5x line right here. Let's see here. Let me make sure I'm getting the full chart here. Let's do USDC. There we go. So yeah, still this is the 5x line. So as you can see, the fib retracement tool is a great trading tool. It is a great trading tool. Why? I don't know why. It just works. There's a lot of bots in crypto, and they work off of this. So as you can see, it works.
And traders.
Very well. Yeah. So that's why TA works, because if bots are on the same page and people and traders are on the same page, they're looking at this stuff. So they trade based off of it. And when the majority of people trade based off of a certain thing, well, the majority of the market is going to do what it does. So when you say, oh, TA doesn't work, you just need to hold. Well, yeah, you can hold, but TA works because the traders, the ones that are using bots, the ones that are doing this, are going off of these lines. So it does work.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely, man. I just hope I get those funds from my house soon. I want to buy that dip, man, and get locked in. If it does go crazy parabolic now, though, I am happy with what I have, but always trying to accumulate more pulse. With that being said, man, we just hit our hour mark, just about to hit it. Is there anything else? Anyone have any quick questions for us? Follow the clown signal in TA. Let's see. I see them. We're getting shilled hard. This Gov, Gates of Van Hella. But yeah, I don't see really any more questions. AOC, that guy was wild. Who came? Your dev is wild. Hopefully, you got that liquidity up. But again, congratulations to Ducker. You know, you guys are smashing. It looks like it's just the beginning for you guys, and I'm gonna look for a dip to get in. And yeah, Beards, you got anything else?
No, there's a good Ducker line to get in. That $3 million market cap will always be a tough one to overshoot this cycle. But there is a spot to revisit that would make it ultra bullish if it took it and came back from it. So if it does revisit it, it's a good potential good buying opportunity. If it doesn't, it's going to the moon. So good job, Ducker.
Yes, sir.
About 20x from Shiltank.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, guys, stay tuned. We'll see about Shiltank tomorrow. We'll get back to you guys on that. Just stay tuned for that. Beards is going on vacation. We got some family stuff going on. But just obviously hit those notifications. I think we got some good plays coming up soon in the future. The market is looking a little bullish, but we'll see how that plays out. And with that being said, man, have a good vacation. Be Roots. Everyone send him off. DM him or at him if there's something really bullish going on. He will be checking that. So if we do get a meme coin season, hopefully you can get in some gains while enjoying your vacation. But yeah, man.
I do. If I don't, I'm good. I don't need it. So.
Absolutely. That's the nice part. So, all right, fam. We will catch you guys on the next show. Have a blessed weekend. I'm going to go get ready for this wedding, and we'll see you guys soon. And, yeah, hit those notifications on Twitter. We're going to drop some alpha soon. I know there's going to be some plays coming, so we'll keep you guys informed. Let's make these gains. Let's Let's make these generational wealth gains on this bull run. See you guys soon. We're out.
Like button and subscribe on your way out. Peace.
So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo, they got a lit show, Crypto King, showing you how to invest and live your dreams. So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to